they're so cute.
Every now and then I meet a little disaster, and trying to figure out if it's me that is after. My life gets out of hand, so I hop on the plane and I grab a vacation, something to rid me of all my frustrations. Let my toes sink deep into the sand, try to feel at one with the sand and sun. Yeah, I try and take it in before it's done, 'cause this is paradise, our sweet paradise. And I don't want to leave paradise, oh no, 'cause this is paradise, our sweet paradise. And I can't wait to make paradise my own. Try and unwind and I look at the ocean, take a deep breath so there's no more commotion. All these pretty people have got it made, happy, healthy, feeling lovely, knowing life's worth living someday. Everyone should feel this blessed and free.